going on, guys? Back with another video. It's been a while. Just figured out update you guys on what's going on. So in the event of trying to change some stuff up on here, as you can see in my hand, do have some OEM clips. If you're wondering why I might ask, this is why. See if you guys can see it, but see any similarities there? So basically carbon fiber cowl. So these pretty much go inside the holes right here, all the way across. So I'm getting that done today. Also, I did pick up something else, pretty cool. Brake kit. Not gonna open it up. I'm gonna do a separate video on that. For right now, just a small update for you guys. Let you know that still here. Just don't wanna post stupid videos for no reason, you know. I know every YouTuber says that, or some of them just put out dumb videos for no reason, but if it's not substantial, if it's not something that I would watch, I'm not gonna put it out. So basically right now, putting these clips in, get that done, and then I'll get back with you guys. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope your family's doing well. Hope your life's going well. Like, share, subscribe, share with your family. I see the growth in the channel this year. Appreciate everybody that's new here. Gonna try and do a color change this year on this vehicle. We're not sure what's going on with GAT right now. You know, a lot of people are saying that GAT might be canceled and whatever the case may be because of dumb stuff. The plan was to get this car to go to GAT. We're gonna take it to GAT this year, so if that doesn't work out, you know, we're going to ASM. We always go to ASM shows. That's what it's going to be this year. Always have a great time at ASM shows. So if you guys want to come out, support, see your boy. Probably going to be at a booth, buy some merch. Whatever you guys got to do, man. Have some fun out there. This car stuff is about fun, man. It's not about competing with anybody. We're not here for none of that. We're just here for a short time, not a long time. We're just enjoying it. So don't make it too serious, man. Just have fun with it. That's what it's about, all right? I'm gonna stop yapping. Let me get to this, get it done while there's some kind of light out here. But yeah, let's get it. All right, so finally got done with the cowl. This is what it looks like. Excuse all the fingerprint. But yeah, I got the rubber piece to fit. Use zip tie on here, so if you're asking why I got zip tie on there, that's basically to hold it down until I go to Honda to get the correct clips for there. But for now it'll work. Car's not going anywhere right now. I did run out of clips, so the ones I got from Honda, I used them up top. Now I gotta go get all the ones for down here. But it's good for right now. Figured I'd show you guys. Like I said, like, share, subscribe. Thank each and every one of you. This year, just hug your family and friends. Tell them you love them. Stay positive. Drink water. Till next time, guys. Peace.